Prataap Snacks Ltd, a snack food company. The company was founded in the year 2003 and later got incorporated in 2009. They got listed on NSE and BSE in 2017. They are based in Indore, with more than 3,700 employees and 1,700 workers. They have 15 manufacturing facilities, located pan-India, 8 facilities are owned, and 7 are third-party facilities. In fiscal year 2021, Peak XV Partners, part of Sequoia Group, acquired a 48.4% stake in the company. The market cap of the company is 2,040 crore rupees, and currently trading at 854 rupees per share. The company has a 17% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 37% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company manufactures extruded snacks, potato chips, namkeen, and sweet snacks, and market them under its well-known brands, Yellow Diamond, Avadh Snacks, and Rich Feast. About 58% of the revenue is generated from extruded snacks, 23% from potato chips, 16% from namkeen, and 3% from sweet snacks. The performance of the company in fiscal year 2022 was impacted by COVID-19. However, the company is now showing good signs of growth. There has been a small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign investments, and a good portion of domestic investments in the company. The proposed dividend for fiscal year 2024 is Rs 2 per share. Coming to some key highlights. Company is the market leader in rings and extruded snacks. In 2024, company commissioned 3 new manufacturing units in Jammu and Rajkot. Company acquired Avadh Snacks in 2020 and was successfully merged in fiscal year 2023. Since December 2023, promoters have been in talks to sell their stakes. As of now, no deal has been finalized. Company offer more than 150 products. They have a strong distribution network of more than 5,000 distributors and reach to 25 lakh retail outlets. They export to only 3 countries, Bhutan, Kuwait, and Canada, with a revenue concentration of less than 0.1% from exports and 99.9% from domestic. This has been a quick analysis of Prataap Snacks Ltd. Check out our other videos and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.